Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a really sweet video today. I had joined a swap. It was the Secret Valentine's card swap hosted by Kim Inspired Life and Maria Reyes. And what we did was we signed up, and then we were partnered with an individual, and then we just swapped Valentine's Day card. So my partner was Stace, and she is a awesome YouTuber, a awesome creator. So check out her channel. I really love her designs. Now my card arrived today, Saturday, little late, but I still think it's special. I don't mind that it's late. She sent it in this cute little envelope. She had her return address here. I was able to peel that off, and luckily I can peel that out and put it on the back of her card so I won't forget who sent me this card. And then it just cracks me up that the post office just like took this red marker through the stamps. I like looking at stamps from when people mail stuff, so I think that was just kind of rude. And she had this cute little sticker on here, this cute little, I think it's a gorgeous girl, maybe, I'm not sure. And then on the back, look at that. I really love the Mardi Gras. She's been sharing things that she got at the Mardi Gras, so lucky her. And let's open it and see what it looks like. Oops, sorry. I was trying to be fancy with my letter opener, and well, I don't know if I can start it. I don't want to tear or cut anything. I'll start it this end because I can see the fold. I'm sorry, I didn't know this video is going to be this dramatic. Waiting on the revealed. It's kind of like, you know, when you're watching something and either it says, and next week we'll find out, or it goes to commercial. So man, I'm having a hard time. Stace really, she got this envelope closed up, but nothing getting in here. So let me, like I said, I think I can feel where I could cut it, but I don't want to take a chance. All right, making progress here. Okay, here we are. All right, let's see. So once again, this was for a Valentine's Day swap. Let's see. Oh, it's looking cute already. Make sure we got everything out. Oh, and look at this. It's so cute. It says, Happy Valentine's Day. I'm your secret Valentine card partner. Be mine. Felicia from Stace. Look at that. Oh, let's see what we do here. I think it's... Apparently, I don't know how to do anything. How do you open this? All right. Not as hard as it looks, Felicia. And it says, wish you a very happy Valentine's Day. Oh, look at these stickers. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at those lips. The heart. Oh, man, I can't get anything out. Mardi Gras Carnival. I've never been to the Mardi Gras. I love the colors, though. Look at that. That's the lips again. And then we got a little bottle. These are really cute. I like putting stuff like this in my planner. That's, all you need is love. And then it says kiss, and the cat with the heart eyes. I think I see another pair of lips. And Life of the Mardi Gras. And then there's a really pretty heart in there. And this is really neat to give ephemera in. It's really cute, our stickers. Thank you, Stace. Oh, and let's look at this beautiful card. Ooh, fancy. This is really pretty. I love this. Oh, man. And then the little Cupid. And I love the stitching. That's something that I've never done on a card, is stitching. I always admire it. This is really pretty. Thank you, Stace. Let me see what it says here. Oh, she left it blank so I can use it again. And then it has her name here. This is really pretty. I like that. And then it's some, I think this is some craft fabric. Look at the pretty colors. That's really so cute. And the pink makes some pretty bows out of it. Well, thank you so much, Stace. I really appreciate it. I just would say that we have been having issues with our mail out here in California. I don't know if anyone else is watching this in California and is having the same problem, but it just seems like everything is taking forever to be delivered. And it's really a pain, especially when you're waiting on something specific. And but it seems like the bills get here are pretty good, but everything else takes its time. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.